Hey, it's John. Today we will talk about investors' mindset, and how to use it to have financial freedom. You will understand how to start making money and change your life. It looks like a good time for you to subscribe to my channel. You can also sign to my free ebook on the description below, which will provide you 30 habits to gain financial freedom. Okay, let's get started. Rule number 1, rich people don't work for money. They make money work for them by investing on assets. What is an asset? Asset can be stocks, EFT, crypto, index. It can be real estate. It also can be a website, a Facebook group or an Instagram page. Or, it can be a passive business. Basically, it can be anything that works for you and makes you money. You probably ask yourself, why would I buy assets? Assets can grow, they can make more money, and you can always buy many assets. Facebook page can grow, stock can grow, real estate can cost more. Well, you get the idea. This is how it works, buy assets to buy the fuck you want. That's what most people do, get higher salary, pay more taxes, can't afford what they want. So they spend most of the money and, if they have no job they have no money. Why does it happen? Because people are stupid. People want to spend what they don't have, to impress people they do not care about. Everyone wants to look like rich. People buy crap and other bullshit, just to show off. People can ride BMW or have a Rolex and own $50 on bank account. Is this rich? It's called fake rich, show off, wrong mindset. So, how can you not be one of these fake rich people? Buy and invest on goddamn assets, not on crap nobody needs. After this, buy even more assets with the money you make. Once you invest whatever you make, you avoid a lot of taxes and make even more money. Rich people don't save money, they reinvest it. Money on bank is useless. If you are willing to save money, you will never be rich. Best case you will have some money for bad days. So, what should you do? Buy more assets. Let the assets work for you, spend time on them and effort. You ask yourself, why? Because you can always buy more assets, but you can't always get higher salary. Investor is always looking for ways to increase his capital. So, how to get started? Get a job just to have some money, or make your own business. This will help you gain a small capital to buy assets. Start to read, learn and explore. Stop being pussy. And take a fucking risk and buy asset. It can be anything you relate to that can make you money without investing too many hours. What is the worst case scenario? You learn and get experience. You lose some money. You will avoid the same mistakes next time. And maybe, make some money. You must understand, money makes more money, job ain't no making shit. Try being open-minded, don't be negative about new things. One of the important things is to invest time and money on learning. Be curious, always look for something that can be beneficial for you. Start to understand finance. And don't try to reinvent the wheel, go for something that already works and make it better. Once you do these things, you create your own luck and create your own opportunities. Who said debt is bad? Debt is good if you used it right and know how to cover it, it's just a leverage. For example, you owe money to the bank cause you have a house. You rent the house and someone else paying that debt. You make small profit. Another example, you take money from some source and invest it on stocks. You pay 5% interest, but you make 10% on your money. Means you are in profit. Another example, Instagram page that you can relate to. Let's say you love cats, you can make a page about funny cats and maintenance it. Once you do it you grow an asset and can sell ads or promote other users for money. Important thing is not to listen to other losers or to TV, trust only your own guts. Find people you want to be like them. And, surround yourself with them. Share your ideas with them, always listen before you speak. Always be hungry for knowledge, not for money. Because knowledge is power, power is money, and money is good lifestyle. You must understand that you can't rely on one income, the more incomes you have the better. Thanks for watching my video, Hope you got some new ideas to change your life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like my content, and if you have questions, ask them on comment. On the next video I will share 10 tips how to get started and invest on stocks. See ya.